Looking to shed some pounds, Norix claims it can, but is it the real deal or just another weight loss scheme? We don't have to. Let's dive in. Norix is a weight loss supplement that promises to support healthy weight management through natural ingredients. The company behind it, Norix product, is marketed as a blend of seven active components designed to boost metabolism, reduce appetite, and enhance overall well being. With so many weight loss products out there, how do you know if Norix is legitimate? There are different three packs of Norix. In the first one is 30-day pack, which is in 49.95 euro. While second one is 3-month pack, which can be used till 90 days, and third one is 2-month pack, which can be used for 60 days. There is a form which you have to fill if you want to purchase. First, you have to write first name, email address, number and street, city, postal code, and your phone number. What does Norix claims? It claims that its Korean ginseng and green tea metabolism reduce the oxidative stress and improve circulation to help you feel energized every day. Green tea, cyan pepper, and bitter orange combine to activate thermogenesis and maximize fat burning, while ginger cider vinegar cinnamon work to soothe the stomach, reduce the bloating. With it, which stabilize blood sugar and support your hormonal balance, while the apple cider vinegar, ginger, and green tea trio naturally purifies your body, which stimulates the liver and help you lose the weight without harshness. Norix claims to use natural ingredients, but the exact list isn't clearly disclosed on their official website. Transparency is crucial when it comes to supplement, and this lack of information raises some concerns. Now, if we see the reviews of the people, what they say about Norix on their website, the one said, thanks to Norix, I lost 5 kilos in 1 month and I feel better and more confident. Second one said that I love the natural action of Norix. I lost 7 kilos without any side effect. So there is a red flag that how can a person can lose 7 or 9 kilo weights in just a 1 minute without any exercise, without any regular diet. What does the real customer says about Norix? We are going to see this. The one said that I have ordered and sale price for 3 pack was 39 euro. Time limit for sale was 10 minutes and I had 4 minutes left in timer. I got payment from Klarna and it was 120 euro. This is a big scam and they don't answer to email to cancel my order. While the second one said this is a strange website, only option for customer is to buy the product as already mentioned in one of the reviews. There are no other links that work, no customer support and etc. If for example a customer wants to return product, it can't be done. The third one said it clearly that it is a scam and fraud. When the payment window appears, you can't see the total amount. The vary of products that promise quick fixes or use emotional appeals without providing solid evidence. Based on the available information, it's challenging to determine if the Norix is legitimate weight loss supplement or a potential scam. The lack of transparency regarding ingredients and the limited user reviews are significant concerns over there. If you are considering trying Norix, proceed with caution. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement especially for weight loss.